The Art of Poetry, the Art of Poetry test. Question number 1. Which of the following poems uses rhyme to express the ideas found in it? A. Necessary Gardens. B. Eating alphabet soup. C. Balloon. D. Better Fun. Question number 2. What is Elaine and the big word girl doing during the first part of the movie? A. Reading a dictionary. B. Enjoying the show. C. Shaking in fear. D. Writing poetry. Question number 3. How are the poets of Balloon and The Arrow and the Song alike? A. They both notice the beautiful sky and how looking at it improves their mood. B. They both feel the need to get rid of things that are no longer important to them. C. They both talk about letting something go but receiving something good as a result. D. They both think that childhood is a better time of life than when one is fully grown. Number 4. In the poem Better Fun, the poet says that the water drenched them. What does drenched mean? Remember to use a dictionary or dictionary.com. A. Scared. B. Soaked. C. Calmed. D. Warmed. Question number 5. How does the poet build the poem Quiet Water? A. He explains how a waterfall is formed over time. B. He explains how the water is like other things in nature. C. He talks about his own experiences on and off the water. D. He talks about the water when it is both calm and moving.